Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use dynamic lighting on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane, you will find this option for dynamic lighting. Okay, now there is an option here which says Use dynamic lighting on my devices. You can turn this off or on, and this will enable or disable dynamic lighting, but the thing is that it won't work on my system. Why? Because no dynamic lighting compatible devices are detected. But if I attach a device which is compatible with dynamic lighting, this is how I can enable or disable dynamic lighting for that particular instrument. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.